This is a web services introduction video. Actually, web services are stored in SOA architecture, service oriented architecture. Now we are seeing in SOA architecture style of architecture designs, different kind of architecture designs. I am showing this slide. We will discuss separately architecture, what is the architecture, how they are following architecture, what is the SOA architecture. We will see architecture information later. We are concentrating on web services right now. What is the web services, why they are invented web services, why they are most of the peoples are looking into web services. This is an agenda. What is the web services? Before web services, what is the situation, what is the problem, what is the solution? After web services invention, what is the motive of web services, problem is the solution, and what is the positives and what is the negatives, how to find the web services, what is the service oriented architecture. This is the agenda. First you can see the before web services, the world before web services. You can assume there is two organizations, organization A and organization B. First organization using system A and system B and system C. System A is a platform Windows and system A using Java technologies, and system B is platform Windows and using a .NET, and system C is Linux platform and using C++. And same way on organization B also, system A is Windows operating system and .NET they are using, and system B operating system Linux and they are using C++. You can assume like this. Okay, see, in organization, within the organization, system B communicate to system A. Is it possible? See, operating system are same, but they are using a platform, one .NET and one is Java. This is possible. Before web services, the world before web services, I am asking, is it possible to communicate one system to another system? Is it possible Linux system to communicate Windows system, C++ to .NET, or another organization? You can organization B also, system A Windows operating system and system B Linux operating system. Is it possible? Or else you can communicate organization A system A to organization B system A out of the organization. Is possible? No. These are the problems. Different types of platforms, different types of programming languages, so you are not able to communicate. Before web services invention in the world, what is the solution? The solution is you need to create a bridge. You need to create a bridge for within the organization or out of the organization. You need to create a bridge. See how to create a bridge. Another better solution, you can take a bridge kind of technologies like RMI or COM or Corpa or EBXML, EDI. These are the bridge technologies you can use and communicate one system to another system, or within the organization or out of the organization. This is the problem before the invention of the web services. What are the problems with that current solution? Involve a whole learning curve, not based on standardized rules and specifications. So if you use a bridge technology Corba in one organization, they are using RMI as a bridge, then how to communicate one organization to another organization? Here bridge is different. One is RMI and one is Cobra. How we are able to communicate? See, this is not possible. You are not able to communicate, right? So, standardizing the method of communication between software applications, you need to provide. Distributed commands are interfaces via non-object specification protocol. So, then only can communicate, right? Then what is the fundamental definition of web services? A web service is a programmable component that provides a service and is accessible over the internet. Suppose I am developing one component that instance is over to network and access into the client. These are the advantages. Web services provide interoperability mainly between various software applications running on dispatches platforms, operating systems. Web services use open standard and protocols. By utilizing HTTP, web services can work through many common firewall security measures without requiring changes to the firewall filtering rules. Other form of RPC may more often be blocked. Web services follow software and services from different companies and location to be combined easily to provide an integrated services. Web services allow the reuse of services and components within an infrastructure. Web services are loosely coupled, thereby facilitating a distributed approach to application integration. What are the disadvantages of web services? Web services standards feature such as transactions are currently non-existent or still in their inefficiency compared to more mature distributed computing open standards such as Cobra. Web service may suffer from poor performance compared to other distributed computing approaches such as RMI, Cobra, or DCOM. See, this is the stack of web services. There are different kind of layers: protocol layer, packing layer, information layer, service layer, discover layer. In protocol layer, HTTP, HTTPS, SMTP, FTP, these protocols they are using. In package layer, in SOP, and information layer, XML, and service layer, they are using web service and visual files, web service description language. You need to find the web service in UDDI registry. One kind of registry like JND kind of registry is nothing but here UDDI, and this is the whole service and information layer. If you see the visual file, you can find the types and messages, operations, port type, building, port, and services. Based on that, these information you need to consume the web services in third-party web services into your web service application. It's a readable format, like XML kind of stuff. All the web services stack information is provided like this. In packing layer, it is they are using a simple object access protocol, lightweight protocol. In the lightweight protocol, there is the envelope encoding rules on RPC representations is there. It's look like this: SOAP envelope, this stuff. Don't bother about these things. We can see all the stuff in later one by one. Even without knowing all these informations, also you are able to do the web services by following my blogger videos and steps. This is the web services stack. Any of the standard Internet protocol may be used in working web services over the network. The initial definition focus specifically on HTTP and encrypted HTTPS. FTP and SMTP can also be used. Next, service. What is the service oriented? It is an architecture style of building software application that promotes loose coupling between components so that you can reuse them. This is the web service introduction only. Thanks for watching this video. We will continue to post the all web service related information into my blog javapracticalinfo.com, or you can see javapracticalinfo.blogspot.in. You can see much more videos and blogger posts. Thanks for watching.